Hello lovelies, you are welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this. We have the square root of 20 times 21 times 22 times 23 plus 1. So for us to do this, we have the square root of, we have 20. So we have the square root of 20 times, we have 20 here, which is the same as 20 plus 1. And we have 22, which is the same as 20 plus 2. We have 23, which is the same as 20 plus 3. And we have plus 1. Let our x be equal to 20. So we have the square root of, we have 20, which is x, times we have x plus 1, times x plus 2 times x plus 3 plus 1. So we can rearrange this to have x times we have x plus 3 times we have x plus 2, we have x plus 1, and we have plus 1. So we'll be multiplying 2 by 2 to have the square root of, we have x times this to give us x squared, plus have x times 3 to have 3x, times multiplying this and this, we have x squared plus x, we have 2 times x, we have 2x, and we have 2 times 1 plus 2, and we have plus 1. So this will give us, we have x squared plus 3x times we have x squared, x plus 2x, which is 3x, plus 2, and we have plus 1. Now when we look at this, we have x squared plus 3 and we have x squared plus 3. So let our x squared plus 3x be equal to n. So we have x squared plus 3, which is n, times we have x squared plus 3, which is n plus 2, the 2 here, and we have plus 1. So when we open up the bracket, we have the square root of n times n is n squared, plus we have n times 2, which is 2n plus 1. So this is the same as n squared plus 2 times n times 1 plus 1 to the power of 2. And let's recall when we have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, this is the same as a plus b all squared. This will become the square root of, so this equation looks alike with this equation, so this becomes n plus 1 all squared. But let's recall that when we have the square root of x to the power of 2, this is the same as x, so this becomes n plus 1. But our n is equal to x squared plus 3x. So we have n plus 1 becomes x squared plus 3x, becomes x squared plus 3x plus 1. Let's recall from the beginning, we made our x to be equal to 20. So our x is equal to 20. So we have x asks 20, so we have 20 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 20 plus 1. So 20 to the power of 2, we have 400 plus 60 plus 1. So when we add this, we have 461. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.